I joined guys in a new video. I'm in Istanbul, so today we'll have a vlog from this beautiful city, and in the same time I want to talk with you about MQL5 signals. The signals that I was using them before. I will show you my history of subscription for different kinds of the signals, and I'm really confident in them and I can easily recommend them to use in 2024. So let's start. So from the beginning, guys, sorry for maybe not the freshest look of my face because I'm really tired. I was flying almost all night, but it's not a big deal and we'll make a good vlog today. What I'm doing in Turkey in general, I will open you maybe one secret. I have some problem with the health, not so dramatic, but if I want to feel myself comfortable, I need to take some injection one time in 3 months. This injection, it's quite expensive, it's high cost medicine. So one injection standard price, it's around $18,000 or $20,000. In Dubai, the cost of this medicine it's around 5 to 6k, and in Turkey it's cheaper. I don't know why, but as I heard, the Turkey government selling for the citizen with the 90% discount, so it's manageable. Why I'm saying you all this kind of story and drama, it's not because I want to hear it from your side, like, oh sorry about that, hope everything is fine. I don't want to make you sad. I just want to explain it to you that what's the benefit of the trading and what kind of things trading giving to me. This is ability to fix all my daily issues. Okay, this is the issue, but with the trading, with the income that I'm getting from the trading, I'm able to fix it. And this is the most important point why I'm explaining you that. We'll compare with IB, with IT, people what they are misunderstanding. If you're going to IT business, you will not be like working in Google, on Apple with a super high salary and hundreds, thousands of the dollars and maybe even millions. The same in the trading. If you will go there, you will not from the beginning start driving Lamborghini, Ferrari or something like that, all this lifestyle that all influencers are selling to you. But as in the IT business, you will be able to live normal life, that you will be able to cover all your expenses, cover all your needs, and you will be enjoying. This is it with the trading. If you will do everything in the proper way, you will have exactly the same. So this is, guys, it's not a topic of our video today. Today I want to talk to you about MQL5 website, and really I want to show you what I understand, especially through the copy trading, because my thoughts about trading, personal trading, is totally different in comparison for the copy trading. So yeah, so let's go. So guys, right now I want to show MQL5 website, signals that I was using before for myself and what I understood through all these years of using MQL5 signals. Sorry maybe for the noise. This is Istanbul and there is noisy everywhere, so I hope that I will put the mic closer to my mouth and you will be able to hear me in the proper way. So let's go for the signal and we'll click on my subscription. As you can see, active 0. You can ask me, Alex, you are talking about MQL5 website every time, and right now you are like 0 subscribed to 0 signals. The first reason, I'm concentrating more right now on my own products. I'm creating my own bots, and then the second point, I'm changing the vision of the signal overall. Let us go to check all. So as you can see there, it was almost 50 signals that I was using before. And the first time that I was subscribed, it was in the end of 2020. Some of the signals you can see that is mentioning signal not set. What does it mean? We are going for the second page, even more signals, signal not set. And then we are going to the last page, also a lot of the signals, the name signal not set. What does it mean? I'll tell you. 90% of all those signals, providers lost their money and lost their account. Why it happened? But in the same time, you can ask me a question, why did you choose them? What was the main criteria that you choose them? Because I was running and paying attention more on profitability and beauty of this equity in comparison for security of making money. And 100% all the signal is not set, it was the multiplier on the martingale. So when I'm telling you no need to use averaging and martingale, it means I knew that by myself, from my own experience, from my own money. That's why you should trust me about that. in one of my previous videos. I already told you the story how I came to this business, and I was working like employee in the Forex broker company. And that Forex broker company, by the way, it was really bad. They had a pump service. Pump service, this is the version of the copy trading, social trading that right now popular everywhere, also in the crypto exchanges. So the model is simple. You are checking the results of some trader, you like it, you are subscribing, you can pay subscription fees, or before it was like very popular profit sharing. So in the end of the month, if the trader by his trades you have some plus, he will get like 20-30%, something like that. But before, in all Forex broker companies, especially the companies that was coming from my area, I found that they was drawing the numbers. So those traders was making thousands and thousands of profits, and in the end, when you subscribe to them, result was totally different. So because of this like bitter and bad experience that I saw from the inside, I was never recommending from the people any of pump services or copy trading services that was inside of the Forex broker company. That's why I'm recommending MQL5, because it's trustable, it's independent and proven results. So you can easily check the results on the account, how it's trading from the trading history, and it will be exactly the same. So that's why in some points I was also start looking from MQL5 and start subscribing to the signal. By the way, I subscribed to my first signals in 2020. During this period of time, I tried around 50 different signals. And what is my experience? I will tell you in today's video. Why people like copy trading services? The first reasons, if you don't have a time, you can easily subscribe to the trader with the proven track records. The second point, it was my case. You know, I'm considering myself like a trader, like a developer, but in the same time I was facing issue to show really consistent trading history. In all this world of trading, you can find a lot of the people that talking smart, teaching smart things, but when you will ask them, please show me proven track record, they will struggle. Not so many traders can really show you their accounts and their results. It was the same for me, because I was searching for some good option. I tested many strategies, many like different kinds of the bots, and one point what is showing on the back test and totally different things on the live account. One of my videos I was mentioning you that 2 years on the back test equal for the 6 months in the live account. So live account, statistic from live account is way more powerful. So I was searching for some also knowledge what I can get from MQL5 from another traders that may be more profitable than I am. And I was searching for these equities, nice equities, and mostly people what they are doing, they are searching for total profit, monthly profit, and how smooth the equities. But I understood during my 50 different kind of signal subscription that equity is not playing the major role at all. And let me show you the examples. So let me show you a few signals and you will understand what's the difference. Let's say if we are going this one, this guy, it was my favorite for a long period of time. If you will go to check my first video about MQL5 website, this guy was in the top that I was recommending for the people. And I was right, he's still holding maximum drawdown just 16%. But if we can see the gross, you know, the equity, it's not so beautiful, you know, and some people, they don't like them because they are looking what? How smooth this equity. Let's go for another signal. This calling monkey king. This guy was beautiful, fantastic, but in some point he make a big minus. See, August 2023, I close is around minus 22-25%. But why I like the signal, you know, and it's really good because he recovered. He changed his strategy. He recovered. If this kind of signal will be martingale or let's say averaging, he will lost most probably. Let's go for another signal. This is the algo future. Also, you see on the gross, nothing special, you know, even if you'll check like a yearly prices, also nothing special. This year just 10%, but he's trading with this account from 2019 and his maximum drawdown just 25%. So this signal, it's more about consistency, longevity and security, but not about the profitability. Let's go for another signal. This is the night vision. This also, by the way, in the top signals that I was recommending for a long period of time. Also, guys, he's trading from 2020, so 4 years this guy trading in the market, more than four years. All those years he's closing in plus. Yes, pluses is not so like wow, you know, but his maximum drawdown just 14.9%, and this is the point. But if you go to the gross, yes, this gross may be better, but if you go to profitability by percentages, it's almost nothing. Let's say last year he closed just 21% in plus, but he closed it in plus. This is the most important. In Turkey in general, I was many times, and I was even living in Istanbul for 3 months. But my favorite area, this is called modern Istanbul. So if you will be there, highly recommend you to visit, because there you will be able to feel a little bit different vibe in comparison with the rest city. You know, guys, I found that recording video in the trading field is very difficult and at the same time boring process. Why boring? Because trading is all about charts, working with the charts. For me, I like to create this kind of content, you know, because involving in these things every day. But for some people, I feel that it's very boring, you know, to watch the video 10 or 20 minutes about the charts. So I try to, you know, to differentiate, to put some videos like a vlog type of style to make it more dynamic. But at the same time, for me, it's difficult to find for you the topics of these videos, you know, because from somewhere inside, I really understand that some motivational stuff, general things will not help you in making money. You need exactly tips based on the chart. So if you have some topics that you want to hear from my side, I will appreciate if you will mention them in the comment section. Let's go for another signal. This guy I was recommending for a long period of time, and this is my mistake, because this is the also averaging, you know, and he's right now in the drawdown 45%, holding position in minus. Every time when he's a drawdown, he's adding some new capital, and my client was really happy with this trading bot, and I was also happy. But still, this is the averaging, and right now maximum drawdown here just $387. Currently he's holding this minus, but he was like at $800, and his drawdown in percentage was way more higher. But what he did, he deposited more money. You see, what I found by using it, every time when he was in the drawdown, he added his own money. That's why I cancelled subscription, I closed position for my clients that was in minus, and this is it. What I understood, no more averaging, no more martingale at all, never. Even if you will ask me, you know, from this 50 signals, some of the signals, my clients was asking me, Alex, check, it's good signal, subscribe, I want to try it, you know, and I was doing this mistake, and this client was in minus because of this signal. So this is what I understood, never I will use the martingale and the averaging. This guy, it's also very nice, he's trading from 2020, but what I understood also from my experience and in what kind of things I'm paying attention in the future signals, that if signal provider averaging profit less than 60 pips, it will be very difficult to copy it. And by the way, this guy, his closing does 20 pips, it's just 2 points, you know, the average profit. So that's why the comments here is really bad. Even if you will trade in the IC market, the same server, low latency, it's almost impossible to copy this kind of signal. And I want to show you one more guy. This is one trading account then survive that martingale and averaging, and then survive from this period of time with what I was subscribed to. See, he's trading from 2019 every year in plus, but guys, his maximum drawdown was 89%, so he almost killed his account. If we'll go to his profitability, you know, 24% after 1 year, 38, 22. This is why he's still alive, because he's targeting very small profit. But again, what's the point to target this small profit and to win potential risk of all your account? So what I understood for myself, No more running for these super cool equities. I will pay attention more on the stop loss if it's there, if there is no averaging, no multiplier, because right now I will be interested more in consistency than huge profitability, but just for the short period of time. What do you think about that, guys? Please put in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in our next one.